the Omal PEANUT Insertion Machine in an automated machining cell. Utilizing robotic technology, an automated arm transfers panels from the CNC offloading bed straight into the peanut insertion machine. Sensors detect the panel, and peanuts are automatically inserted. With 4 working zones and parametric software, several panels of different sizes can be processed in tandem, automating pendulum processing to maximize productivity. The first panel is then moved to a conveyor belt, while the machining finishes on the second panel. The robotic arm optimizes the transfer of panels, increasing the efficiency of the cell by ensuring a constant workflow and minimizing machine idle time. The conveyor belt transports the panels to the next stage. The panels are fed into an edge bander, which delivers them back to the robotic arm. The robotic arm recognizes the panel and automatically sorts it into the correct section for finished products, all ready to ship flat pack or assemble in-house. Contact Intelligent Fixings now for more information.